Hi, today we're going to be taking a unboxing review look at MECARD. This one's, I guess you say it Dorky or Dorkory? Dorky? Not really sure how you pronounce this one's name, but yeah. It is a Deluxe, which is their standard class of fitters, made by Mattel. So, here's how you kind of do it. If we could get the can to focus. Roll card over card. Card activates pop-up transformation. Bell with a friend. Which flashing on you, red, blue, or yellow. How to play, MECARD.com. There's also a YouTube channel, I believe. Not an official one, but I don't know. Something like that. Click the poster inside. So yeah. I guess apparently this is still pretty big in Japan. In Japan they call it MECARDimals. And you hear in the show that they even refer to these as MECARDimals. But we changed the name of the show from MECARD Tuner to MECARD. Yeah. So let's check the little poster first. We can move that up to the side here. Okay, with the poster, you kind of have Deluxe. All these are pretty much going to be Deluxe except for some on the bottom. So you have Evan, Phoenix, Venmon, Quacky, Sumo, Reentort, Medgun, Kashi, Dorkory, or Dorky, this little fellow right here, Thanos, Yuri, Buine, who the hell is this one? Momo Wars, Mekor Otto, okay, Toro, or Toro, yeah, that was kind of cute, it's a little turtle. Tenno, Otter, Prince Khan, Grayon, Crane, Mantor, Stormhorn, Mekor King Jaws, Mammoth, and Mekor Furon. Yeah, a lot of these have some really weird and stupid names. We're like, is that even a name, or did they just decide to take letters and put them together? And then you have these two, which are the jumbo ones. MECARD Neo and MECARD EX. Yeah, that's weird what the names are. They can't even get in like weird names like, hey, purple flying thing, or blue robot. They're just like, we'll just insert MECARD, and that'll be their name, MECARD. Yeah. So here's what you get in the package. 3 MECARDs, 1 MECARD. Kind of like how to play, like the action points are located both on top and bottom. The ability, so you gotta match the ability, what type it is on the bottom. Another thing about the ability, house up. Each player must have 3 MECARDs and place your 3 MECARDs down. How you determine the power level. The faction color was the color of the power level. New row line, old row line. Line up your cards. Pretty much something like that. So here's the little instruction sheet of how to fold it up. Here's the cards that we get. We can see we have a Evan card here. I'm not exactly sure what these little abilities mean, because I don't think they told us what all the abilities mean. Okay, so it has the arrows, which means move this card that many times in the field. So it has ability of an arrow, which means it can be moved over one slot, because it has one. And this little eye symbol means let this card in the field. It should be on the field. Wow, they can't even get the words right. I mean, they say, let this card in the field. It should be let this card on the field. Duh. Then we turn it face down, and if it has an arrow that's circling, it means rotate it. So yeah, so you could let this card. So that's what that has. So these cards are really small, to be honest with you. We have this one, which is Phoenix, which actually looks pretty good. Rotate it, so it means, let's say for you, you get 100 because it's blue. You rotate it around, and then instead you get 90 for black. That's what that does for rotating. As we can see, we have our silver, we have our gold, and then we have this one, which is Venom, which has actually a double lit. It has lit 2 and then another lit 1, which is kind of weird. So this would be our bronze. So silver, gold, bronze. As you can see the color down here, where the names are. Cards are, like I said, super duper small. And think of it like Bakugan, only instead of one little ball spears that transform its cards. So it's like Baku cards, I guess. Here's what a little thing looks like. It's supposed to be a scorpion, but the only thing that makes it a scorpion is weird, the tail. Everything else you can't really see. The claws are kind of goofy looking. So what symbol fashion did we get? Let's peel it off. Blue. So we are from the blue team. Yeah, that kind of gets stuck on there. So they're saying, I guess you want to hold it like this. Take the tail, fold it up, fold that on in there like that. Fold the head like that. Fold that like that. And why aren't these things folding down? Unless I was supposed to take those, fold those down. Still holding on to that. What the heck is going on here? Tail and head, small wings, large wing, claws. So head and tail, which I think you want to do tail first, then head. Okay, now they said after that it is small wing and large wing. So small wing, large wing, as we already did. Now they're saying fold the claws in. Yeah, and the claws do not want to fold in. And they're supposed to. Fold and locked in. And as you can see, they stick out. And they're like auto-activated. They're not actually snap into place. And that's what the paperwork says. Tail, head, small wing, large wing, which would be those little wings down there, which had the little legs on it, and then the claws. Yeah. And it's a stupid translucent waist card. So how does it transform? Minus its little hands popping out. Yeah, we'll leave that one. Did it transform? No. Let's see if we can get it to there. Now it transformed. So then since it's blue, with line of blue, it only gets a power of 20. So, blue, match up there, blue, power of 20. So, it could do 20 attack. But let's say, for this one, let's just say if it did land on Phoenix. It'll do 100 attack. Your opponent, if your opponent card rolled and hit this card, like from this way. So let's use Marini. Marini would actually get 40. So Marini would get 40 for blue. And Dorky will get 100 for blue. But you gotta match up their power center. So since this is blue, it'll get 100 because blue matches blue. This one, if this one hit it, it'll only get 20 because of the red. So that's kind of how you do it. So this one came in this way and it got this card. It'll be doing damage of 70. And this one will be doing damage of 100. So pretty much you match up the color of that fraction, which there's only one fraction, the MECARD. So you'd say, okay, blue, blue, and a lot of the cards have these two on there. This would be your side that you try rolling on. So this would be your power gauge. This is your opponent's side. This is their power gauge, if that makes sense. So whoever gets that card first activates that card. So if Marie got it, this would be her power gauge. She could do 20. But if I got that card first, this would be my power gauge, and I would be doing 100. If that makes a little bit more sense. Yeah. Anyway, don't forget to